most of the times, those who claim that they are advocates of culture or ndị ga-abịa kịta asị gị na ha bụ ndị ọdịnala are not really ndị ọdịnala. These are people of questionable characters because I believe that the real Igbo ọdịnala people are those who comes to equity and justice in a blank slate, with clean hands.
That's what I'm trying to say. A man told me, I'm not a Christian. And I'm a CSC. I don't sleep with somebody's wife. Let me be Bazo and guess the mother. I'm not bribe. What this kind of people, they were called people that have etiquettes.
Oh, yes.
Etiquette are men who are righteous, who are on their own.
The Bible calls it self-righteousness.
That they have etiquette.
Yes.
And such people, they are times 10 better than some people who claim they are in church. Hear me. If it's in that aspect, I don't have any problem. And our Bible doesn't have any problem.